Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, simple braided bun hairstyle in under 2 minutes. To start, I'm going to take a section of hair from the left hand side of the head, and then I'm just going to pop the right hand side into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck. Now we're going to split that left hand section into 3 and just do a regular 3-strand braid, making sure that you angle this over the back of the ponytail, going from left to right. Once you get to the end of the braid, I'm going to add some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then take your fingers and gently pinch and pull at the edge of the braid for more volume. And then we're just going to tuck it underneath that ponytail and secure it all the way along the edge with as many bobby pins as needed. Next, divide the ponytail in 3, and again we're just going to do a simple braid all the way down to the end of the hair and secure it with an elastic band. Add some more texture powder and pinch and pull your braid apart for more volume. Then just roll that braid up under itself until it meets the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.